All right, so we are here at the Sheraton Hotel, downtown Indianapolis. I think it's high time we get a 2021 retake of these modernized elevators. There's the Scenic elevator, but we're gonna ride the main guest elevators first. These were already modernized. Here we go. I'm sure we all remember these elevators, right? These were originally Otis Elevonic 401, and then Otis came in and did a complete modernization of them. Hey, what's up? These things are pretty fast as well. Otis. Let's take one ride left. Here we go. These are pretty fast. My ears are starting to pop.
21st floor.
All right.
Going down.
We're gonna now go back down to the lower level. See, can we get dual indicators? We may not be able to. Watch this one, actually. This one's pretty shaky, it seems.
Lower level.
There it goes, the end. That's it. All right, so we just rode these elevators. But now we're gonna ride the Scenic Express elevator that goes all the way up to the 21st floor. This one was also modernized pretty recently. Look at that chandelier. But here it is.
Going up.
Yep, this is the Scenic one, all right. So 21. And here we go. Passing by the hot air balloon murals now. And here we are, blasting off. Look at that epic view of Monument Circle. And the sun's coming in now. My ears are starting to pop now.
21st floor. down.
This thing's pretty epic. Look at that amazing view. And there's the sun blinding us. Here we go back underground. I guess while we're at it, we'll get a cab view. I'm sure we all remember this elevator, right? Yeah, this used to be an Otis Lexan, but it was modernized a few years ago.
Lower level.
Let's take one last ride. Now we're going to be in express zone for a few minutes. So, stand here and then we'll get the best view of Monument Circle. Here we go. Yeah, see, we did get some snow last night too.
First floor. Going down.
There's the main elevators. You can see the Conrad over there. And there's Market Tower. And here we go back underground. Those murals are pretty neat too.
Lower level.
And here we are. There it goes, and that's it.